Here we have a classic case of compaction. And in this case, it's ducks, an oversupply of ducks. And in any square metre of ground, there can be thousands of different types of seeds that could germinate. But the germination condition determines what does germinate. And when you get compaction, you get decompaction weeds that germinate. Dandelions in lawns. In this case, it's this Australian weed called Paddy's lucerne. And it's a decompactor. It has long tap roots. So if you compact, the opposite effect happens. You get a decompaction root germination weed. Now this is a really wiry little plant. It's pretty tough. It puts its roots down. Nature's in no hurry. It can wait for this plant to die, and these long decompacting roots die in the ground and create compost corridors that decompact the soil. Now, we could cut these off so that happens faster, or we could spike the ground and relieve the compaction. Either way, we know from this indicator that we've had ducks on the ground too long and they've caused compaction. It's the same with any animal or any vehicle. You get the same response from the decompaction weeds wherever you live. And that's just a matter of reading the landscape through the weeds.